If you're looking for an inexpensive and simple way to gift some seeds this Christmas, then have I got the solution for you. All you'll need is a terracotta pot and a saucer that matches and fits on top, some seeds of your choice, some string, ribbon or cord, some scissors and something cute to decorate it with. So all you need to do is choose which seeds you're going to gift on. Some bright flowers, I think. Pop it into the pot, on with the saucer lid, and then get some string or cord that is the right size. Lay it down flat. And if you grab your pot and now turn it upside down, put it on top of the cord, and then you can just tie it up like a present. Back up the right way and tie it in a bow across the top. Cut off any excess cord and decorate. I'm using some cute little gum nuts that have been spray painted. And there you have it, so simple and so easy.